Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter here, and I got an Amazon package, and I'm really excited about what's in here. So let's get right to it. So inside this box, there's actually two items that I'm looking forward to reviewing. The first one I'm gonna do right now. So inside here, as you can see, it's just a regular Amazon box. It kind of got a little dinged up, but I hope that didn't damage what's inside. So let's see here. I lost my scissors, so I'm using a letter opener. Let's do this. Here is the item that I'm excited about. The 8BitDo SN30 Pro Plus Bluetooth enabled controller. This was a controller that I had heard good things about from a few friends, and I decided to try it out. The reason being, my Joy-Cons are starting to drift pretty bad. I've been playing a lot of Animal Crossing, and my Switch Joy-Cons are drifting terribly. I have a set of two different ones. I have a gray set, and then the set that came with my Switch, which was a red and blue set, and they're all drifting. So I went on to Nintendo's website, and basically they told me that they're not doing repairs right now because of the COVID crisis. So I have to wait. So I ordered this on Amazon. This was $49.99. Same price as if you ordered it directly from 8BitDo on Amazon, but this company, Acnes, or whatever, however you say it, AKNES, was throwing in a bag and a little keychain for the same price if you ordered through them. Same exact product, so I decided to go with them instead. Everything was the same, the amount of time it would take to ship and everything, so yeah. So the 8BitDo SN30 Pro Plus gaming controller. This is pretty exciting. I'm really excited to see how this is. Now, I'm not exactly sure how to get it out. Here we go. It slides out. You can see it came in very good condition. Nice box. Boom. Opens up. We have a little card here that talks about some of the things that this controller can do. It says 8BitDo Ultimate Software. 8BitDo Ultimate Software gives you complete control over your controller. Button mapping, joystick sensitivity, trigger sensitivity, vibration sensitivity, and macros. Download it now, and then there's a website link, support at 8bitdo.com. So you can see it if the camera can focus on that. So if you wanted to do any of that mapping, you can. Here is the controller itself. I'll move this in. Well, I guess it was good where it is. Boom. I really love this design. They have several different ones. They have one that is just black. They have one that is the same colors as the Nintendo Famicom. And then they had this one, which is the colors of the original SNES. And I decided to go with this one because of the nostalgia of it. And I just love the way it looks. So you pull it out, and here it is. It is, I can tell you right now, it feels very comfortable. It does not feel cheap. It feels well made. It's comfortable in the hand. There's battery right there. This is Bluetooth wireless, and comes with a charging adapter that is, okay, so it is just a USB-C charger. That's USB on the other side, USB to USB-C. So that plugs in right to the top of the controller. Like so. So you could charge it right through your Switch if you wanted to. This feels very much like, almost like an old school PlayStation controller, but oh, it's just got a nice feel. I'm really excited. It's got and the look is so cool. I mean, that is a cool look. Now, we'll have to wait and see exactly how well it plays, but I'm gonna hopefully get some of that as well. This was not just for the Switch, although I'm gonna primarily use it for the Switch, but it is Bluetooth, and it can go with, if you can use it on PC as well. So it was compatible with Steam and all kinds of different Microsoft products. So yeah, it's probably compatible. It possibly is even compatible with the Xbox, but I'm not sure on that. You'd want to check, but that is this 8BitDo SN30 Pro Plus. It's got all the controls of a Pro. And when I was doing my research on whether I should get this or I should get the Pro gaming controller, this Nintendo Switch Pro gaming controller, it seemed like people like this better. So same price, I decided to go with this instead, especially seeing that I'm not really thrilled with the fact that Nintendo put out a console that has joysticks that just fall within a year or two. So I figured I'd try a different product than Nintendo. Let's see what else is up here. We have a little instruction guide that came out as well that basically explains the setup process. So I'm gonna try, oh, right here we see what it can work for. Oh, this is very nice. So the systems that this controller will work with is a Switch. It says Android D input, Windows, MacOS, and whatever that means, turbo function. So yeah, so a few systems that it will work with. Almost forgot, I got these extras. So what are the extras that I got from buying it on Amazon Acnes? Well, first extra was this little bag. Not too much. Nothing really that special. I guess it's travel bag, maybe? So if I wanted to take, oh, look at that. It has a little clip-on strap. And supposedly this fits inside, which it does. So I could probably take my controller if I wanted to take it on the road with me for some reason. I was traveling with it, my Switch, and I wanted to take this controller. I could pack everything into this bag. And it's not really protected, but it just, everything is encased and enclosed. It's not like it's a padded bag. It's just a regular bag. So, and then they also gave this little keychain that is just a PlayStation controller. Yeah. Or something. So, boom. It's kind of a cool keychain. Maybe I'll use it. Or I'll give it away. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I got. The perks of buying it the same price, but buying it through Acnes on Amazon instead of through 8BitDo. Now, let's get to trying it out. Well, here it is. I've got it connected. I'm playing a little Animal Crossing here, and it's working really well. Let me shut off this display. There, kid toy playing. It took me a few seconds to figure out the pairing. It's not like I've paired many controllers, and when you're just pairing Joy-Cons, you just snap them into the system. So it took me a few seconds to figure out how to pair it, but it wasn't that tricky. And one thing I've noticed right away, because I've been playing this system most of the time since I've had this system, or the entire time, I've had this. And I would just snap my Joy-Cons in to here. Like so. And I've used this. That's not a great controller. This is a good controller. It's very responsive to everything I'm doing. There's absolutely no drift, which, I mean, hopefully there wouldn't be from day one, but there's a little vibration in it when things happen, which is nice. Even when I miss those butterflies, I feel a little vibration when my net hits the ground, which is pretty cool. So yeah, I can leave. Picture, yeah. Everything seems to be working okay. Reactions, speaking, running is moving good. The look around is good. The D-pad works nicely. Putting items away. My key ring, or tool ring, or whatever they call it. So yeah, seems to be really good. Hey, Hammy. All right. Ooh, I hear it. I hear it, but I don't see it. There it is. You gotta get them balloons. Boom. Let's see my spoils. Oh, 5,000 bells. Cha-ching. See, the 8BitDo is paying off already. So, my thoughts. It's definitely worth it. As far as I can tell, so far anyways, day one, playing with it, it's a better controller than what you get with the Joy-Cons. I haven't played with the Pro Switch controllers, so I don't know. I hear they're pretty good, but I just was nervous about the idea that that they've had so many issues with the Switch controllers that I wasn't really willing to throw $50 at a Pro controller. But these have gotten really good reviews. The 8BitDo SN30 Pro Plus, same price as a Pro controller. So yeah, I'm happy so far. I'm gonna play it with it for a couple more days, and then if anything changes with my feelings on it, I'll put up another video. But so far, so good. So I think it's a good buy. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the bell icon, and if you do all three things and you let me know that you did, and you leave a comment saying that you did, then I'll send you some stickers. I got Mandalorian stickers, I got Office, the TV show stickers, and I have more stickers coming soon. So thanks for watching, and until next time.